taking line now.
5.
He's going to town.
He's going deep.
He's taking some line there, honey.
Good. Give Jeff a little workout.
Yeah.
Wow, he's really taking the line now. It's flying.
He's got down into the current.
Yeah, he's getting down there.
Here for the video.
And don't crank him down too much more.
Gonna have to take him?
I don't know. Maybe.
Yeah, we better.
Now I got him stopped.
He's stopped now.
I'm gonna unhook just in case.
He's still going.
He's still going.
He's going for shit.
Yeah.
Push us off.
Yeah. I might be gaining on him.
Jeff's gonna be worn out by some fishing.
Kill that filter.
Go, Jeff, go! Do what?
We wouldn't have to listen to him reel.
Yeah, I got making headway on him now. Maybe.
And I was ready for it.
I thought he was going to jump right there.
Yeah.
I can't see the line. Oh, there it is. I can see it in here.
Doesn't want to come in. Oh, there he goes.
Oh, yep. You're gonna burn that thumb, Jeff. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. There he goes.
There he goes.
Coming up.
Here he goes.
He's coming up. There he is.
Wow.
All right.
That's probably about a 6.
Yeah.
God, he should be right there.
No.
Nope, he's not ready yet. I think you got
Pole's
him
way
way up.
bent
His
over.
bubbles come up back here.
Did you see bubbles?
Yeah.
What do the bubbles mean?
They
Usually-
give up.
Yeah.
Oh, I see the what. There he is.
There he is.
Wow.
5. 6. Not quite yet.
There he
you
is.
There he is.
Wow, he's really
Oh,
light.
he might be 6.
He runs into the boat. Whoa, and he's off.
I got him.
Try to get his mouth. Get back over here, buddy.
He's pretty cool.
Come here.
Wow, he's a big fish.
He is girthy for his length, huh?
Yeah, he is.
Yeah. Okay.
Wow, and the hook's off that easy.
Yep.
Jeff, you want pictures? Here, you want me to grab the camera?
You got the...
There you go.